Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani. Right now I am in Hong Kong with the particular show called Hong Kong International Jewellery Show. With me, Mr. Decha Nuntana from the Prada Group. And let me just give you the idea about the Prada Group. Actually, Prada Group is a company from Thailand, and it's a too old company. They are mainly working in the different kind of the diamond-studded jewellery, and obviously they have the branches in India and foil work kind of the work from the gold sheet. They are making a different kind of the god, we can say creating different frames and etc.
Yeah.
And they are selling worldwide also.
Yeah.
First of all, Mr. Decha Nuntana, he is the managing director of this company. Sir, how are you?
Fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, it's my pleasure to taking the interviews of yours.
Sure.
And I have visited Mr. Vinod in India,
Okay.
who has specifically your brand name with them
Okay.
in India, and
Yep.
they are the, I think, exclusive channel partners in India.
Right. Yeah.
Mr. Decha, I want to ask you about the company establishment here and in which kind of the product category our company is dealing.
Oh, we are 51 years old company.
Okay.
So back we just celebrate the 50th anniversary last year.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah. So we are medium age company. Not too old, not too new.
True.
So all the time we are focusing ourselves as a manufacturing of gemstone jewelry.
Gemstone jewelry.
Right.
Okay.
So we can do silver jewelry, gold jewelry, any carat of gold, 9K up to 18K. And we also have our own brand, Prima Gold, that focusing on 24 karat of gold.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we also have Prima Art, we were just mentioning, with a 24 karat gold sheet under the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful product. I can say that Prima Art is manufacturing the superior quality products because
Yeah.
I haven't seen that much articulate things inside the, we can say, crafting from the gold sheet.
Sure.
Because what I am seeing
Yeah.
is very perfect and truly amazing articulate copy,
Thank
or we
you.
can say art of the craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Specifically, Mr. Decha, I have observed that in Thailand specifically,
Yeah.
you have also kind of very good artisans
Yeah.
who are manufacturing a beautiful jewelry.
Sure.
So in India, what I am seeing, and in Thailand, what I am seeing, both kind of the, we can say both has the kind of the same expertise
Yeah.
in the different artisans. So what
Right.
you say about the same?
Well, we totally agree with that. You know, in Thailand, we were known to be like a very good handmade or
Handmade
handicraft.
jewelry, handicraft jewelry. Yeah.
And our company, I would say, policy or even motto is keep quality. So quality is a major part of our company.
Absolutely.
You know, that's we call ourselves, we are the architecture of craftsmanship. That means whatever we did or whatever we do, we focus and pay all the attention to the quality and have to be use our strength, skill, labor, and all kind of expertise we have
Absolutely.
in order to make it a nice and beautiful piece of jewelry.
So I can say that Prada Group is equal to the topmost quality. Absolutely quality, there is no compromise in that.
Exactly. You can say that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Sir, Prada Group is right now exporting in how many countries their jewelry?
Oh, wow. If
And in how many countries you have the offices?
Well, now we have about, you know, during the pandemic, we have restructuring something. So the office now becomes like 5 or 6 in different countries.
Okay.
Before we almost have like 9 or 10.
Yeah.
So basically like India, Vietnam, Malaysia, not Malaysia, we still keep office in UK. In America, we no longer have the office. France, we just closed down. So, yeah, that's about
5 to 6
right.
countries
Yes.
right now. Perfect. Sir, one more question I want to ask about this particular exhibition.
Okay.
Since last how many years you are participating over here?
In Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Oh wow! As far as I know, we've been here almost 30 years.
13 years.
But we take a break.
During the COVID?
No, before that.
Before
and
that.
we back again. I think we start something like
Okay.
10 or 15 years, and then we stop 4 or 5 years, and then we'll be back. So altogether, I'm sure more than 20 years.
And how's the experience? How's your experience about this particular show?
Oh, Hong Kong is always one of the best
Show ever.
international show, because due to the geographic and all the facility are perfect. So you get all kind of raw materials, diamond, color stone, everything. It's just like one perfect house. So it's a good country where for jewelry, for sure. Yeah.
So Mr. Decha said very true thing that Hong Kong show is the we can say world's largest show, and so here you will identify all kind of the jewelry, or we can say when you are finding the different kind of the mountings or any kind of the raw materials. It might be a gemstone, it might be a pearl, or it might be a we can say diamonds. Everything is available over here, and so Hong Kong Jewellery Exhibition is one of the best exhibition where you have to visit once before you entering into the international market also, because from here you will identify that what exactly the international market is and how many countries are participating over here with that different kind of the jewellery. But obvious. Last but not least question I want to ask you, sir. Exactly, if I'm seeing the future of the jewellery, I can say that the Indian manufacturer and the Thailand's manufacturer are at the top level. And from my side, I want to ask you that what you are seeing as the future of the jewellery in the Far East region and in the Western markets.
Well, in terms of manufacturing, is no doubt that India will become the largest manufacturing country, even bigger than Thailand for sure, and I would say even perhaps bigger than China in the past. So Indian play a very important role in this kind of sector, because you got diamond, you got a lot of good labor, and all the skilled people.
Absolutely.
So I would say in the near future, or even today, India and Thailand will play a very important role on the supply chain, especially on the jewelry manufacturing. For sure,
because what kind of the artisans we have and what kind of the mastery we have, it is really different in the world, and in that way I can say that in the future we are growing very well into the different markets all over the world. Thank you so much, Mr. Decha, for the detailed interview.
Thank you.
It was really a pleasure talking with you. Getting a lots of insights about the show and about the company. And once again, I want to admire your product which been made from the gold sheet, which is called the Prima Art. I am wishing that this product may reach all over the world with their requirement, with their different kind of the cultural, we can say, monuments. And obviously, in that case, Prima Art is one of the top product what I have seen in the market.
You will see more.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And have a great luck ahead.
Namaste.
Pleasure, sir. Namaste.
Namaste,
sir.
Namaste. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Amit Mulani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.